yo, 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 yo. Yo, listen up, I got a fact to tell. Open source software, it serves us well. No hidden games, everything's clear. Linux distributions, they're always near. Ubuntu, yeah, it's a solid groove for beginners and pros, making moves. Fedora sharp, always up to date. With a fresh system, it's first rate. Debian's the base, stable and neat. Built on security, can't be beat. Arch Linux for those in control. With flexibility, it caps the soul. OpenSUSE, green and wise. Stability and power in disguise. Linux made so easy and smooth. Simple to use with the real cool groove. Manjaro, marching an easier ride. Flexibility with nothing to hide. Gentoo, for those who build their own. With strength and skill, they're never alone. Hat and CentOS in the business scene. Strong service systems running clean. Slackware, the old school vibe. With tradition strong, they still survive. Open source, that's our game. Community and freedom, that's our name. In the digital age, we're set to thrive. With Linux distributions, we'll always jive.